before 2021 and tell me something about always wanted to tell. Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from my page you have to go to new stickers at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to fix your problem. And you can also check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video to that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one, and you can place your sticker where you want, and after that you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, and then you have to go to questions, and here you have to type in tell me something or what you want. It doesn't really matter. Then from the top you can change the color. I will leave it like this. Click on done from the right top corner, and then you can place your sticker where you want. And once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now let me show you from where you can get that link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you will also find many others viral stickers on the other stories. So here it says not able to click on add your story, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.